Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you a really cool tutorial about how to play YouTube music or videos in background or with your screen off on Android or phone, or while you are using other apps like Instagram. I don't know. Like you want to listen your YouTube music playlist while you scroll down on Instagram or something else. Whatever the reason is, I will just show you how to do it. And keep in mind that no third-party app are needed. So for that, we will have to go on Chrome or whatever browser you are using. First, I will go on Chrome, type for YouTube. And if you are worried that your playlist or your favorite channels will not be here on Chrome or something else, you just have to log in with your account and they will appear. So you have to click on those 3 points and turn on the desktop site. So now I will search for a music. I will play it.